Well, here it is, the chain run that I've had to resort to, and I think it's pretty shit, really. There's 12 meters of metal stainless steel wire which I've tensioned off onto the fence. And then there's a 4 meter chain here that I've got. See, moving 4 meters with dog clip, so 4 meters to get into the kennel and 4 meters to run from the wire all the way along the 12 meters, and that's 12 meters all the way up to there, so she can get under the grass and under the shade of the trees, onto these raised beds and into the kennel. Now I'm hoping to only use this on afternoon shifts and night shifts, and I'll have to get out more and get her more exercise, because really the reason why she started jumping is because I haven't been doing it, I think. Anyway, I hope it keeps her safe and all the other road users out there are safe. Crazy, hey, absolutely crazy.